Good afternoon. Now we are going to discuss about database management system. In database management system, we are going to discuss experimenting, creating of other database objects. To this lab exercise, understand how to create and test a database object in database. The database database is a different object in database that uses to store the principal description. Apart from the database, it sensible scanning. So that's how we use it. Means it indicates that there is no use. These are logic array, which on table synonyms. The simple and names on the data was computing simple quality ratings and the systems so means the software specified data that is supporting the automatic generation of to generate previous figure percent. Insurance life rate and other tables are like that. Financial tables. Such as index for the week, systems, numbers, syntax context. This is the meaning of any fantasy. Index for first question. Design a view, present a list for the venue along with their cities. You use it with MySQL for this. With output for that. You type in shortcut that uses the tables and display the name of users, and the usernames. User sources somewhere the number of events in each card. Display the three oldest from the user table. History users. So those are the oldest. Let's display the five earliest. Again, tables. Creating the sequence of generation using your that is going to be one increasing by one for each. Which is that for that displaying current value because you can see current value is 5. Creating a user ID coming out the user table just as the user ID in the table with user ID, user page, creating this image for the user tables. So that's one method. Thank you. Experiment, sir.